Hello, I'm Sharon. You are 15C003. I'm here to explain my third experiment in networking. It's about the subnet masking, subnet mask and the network address. So let me explain how I have calculated my subnet mask. They have given all this description and what is the class A address, class B address, class C address, and what are the address default subnet mask of this class A, class B, class C. Everything is being specified. Now I will be explaining the first example. So they have given the number of subnet masks is number of subnet masks is 3, and number of needed usable host is 45, and network address, they have given a network address, and they have given the number of subnets required. So now first I must find which class it belongs to, which address class it belongs to. So here it is 200.175. This, and as we know, it is from class C, it is from 192 to 223. So this is from 200 dot, so it will be from in the class C. So the default subnet mask of class C will be 255.255.255.0. The custom subnet mask is nothing but since it is subnets, number of needed subnets is 3. We'll have a 8-bit thing, and so first 2 bits will be borrowed, and since we need 3 subnets here, we'll be borrowing 2 bits, that is 2 to the power 2. We'll be having 4 subnets on the whole we have 4 subnets. So in need of 3 subnets, we'll be borrowing 2 bits. So similarly we'll be calculating, we'll have when we borrow 2 bits, it will be like 00, 01 and 10 and 11. So for the custom subnet mask, 11, when we calculate all these things, when we add 64 plus 192 like this, it comes 11 will be 192. So now they're asking about the total number of subnets that we have borrowed. That is nothing but 2 to the power 2, that will be 4. That is number of bits to the power this. And they're asking total number of host address. Number of host addresses will be 64, 8 bits, and we are borrowing 3 bits, so it will be 64. And number of usable addresses will be 62. That is excluding the 2 bits which we are borrowing. The rest of the address will be usable address, and the number of bits borrowed will be 2. So now let me see this. They have asked us to find 3 subnets, so I have just taken subnet 1, subnet 2, subnet 3, and they have taken subnet network address, first valid address, last valid address, and broadcast address of that thing. So first address will be given by this, that is 200.175.14.0. So the next first valid address will be the next similar, just one address thing, one added to it. So 200.175.14.1. And first I should be finding my broadcast address. My broadcast address, I will be using that 0001 and 10. With the help of that, I will be using here subnet 2. I will be getting 64.64. I will be minusing 1 from that, so I will be getting 63 here. And broadcast for finding the last valid address, we have to minus 1 from the broadcast address. That is 2 to the power n minus 1 to find this. So this I will be minusing, I will get my last valid address. So similarly I have done for the next 2 subnet masks also. So this is about the subnet masking. Similarly goes on for the next other examples also. So this is about the subnet masking. Thank you.